Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for joining me again. I'm going to go ahead and get you guys some help on how to get Saitama. It has been growing exponentially over the past month. I mean, we're talking about humongous gains. You had 0.00000000 versus 0.000000. So it dropped 2 zeros if you weren't following that. Anyways, let's go ahead and get you guys set up, let you figure out how to actually get it from your Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet to Bitmart. That's the path we're going to be taking. Stay tuned. All right, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to create an account with Bitmart. There's a link down in the description if you need that. Once you create your account, it's a very simple, straightforward process. You just fill out all the information they require and you're good to go. The next thing we're going to want to do is go ahead and log into your Bitmart account with the credentials that you had filled out originally. This will take us to our actual assets. Now, once we're logged in, you're going to see USDT. Hopefully, if it's there, if it's not, go ahead and search for it using the search bar. But we want to click deposit. And what deposit will allow us to do is to send in our Coinbase USDT to here. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy that address and make sure you copy it exactly like it's supposed to be. Otherwise, we could risk losing it. All right, so the very first thing you're going to want to do is log into Coinbase. If you don't have a Coinbase account, there's a link down below where you can sign up. But this process will also work very similar whether you're using Coinbase, KuCoin, or any other platform. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to trade. And then once trade loads, you're going to see USD Tether. Go ahead and click buy. And then you're just going to enter your amount. So we'll just say $100. And then next, we're just going to confirm the transaction. There is a Coinbase fee for purchasing USDT, just FYI. Click buy now. And now our transaction is successful. All right, still on that Tether screen, what we're going to do is we're going to click wallet. And then we're going to, under the send section, we're going to go ahead and send all, or however much you want. And in the to field, we're going to paste that wallet address from Bitmart. And a optional message is not necessary, but you can go ahead and include one if you would like. Next, we're going to click continue. Now here you can see that there is no Coinbase fee, but there is a network fee, which is fine. Let's go ahead and click send now. Hopefully you all have two-step verification enabled. Click confirm, and there we go. So the transaction has been sent, and we should receive it in our Bitmart shortly. All right, now we can see the USDT is in our Bitmart account. What we're going to do is we're actually going to go up here to markets and click on that. Once markets opens, we're going to, in the search box, we're going to type in Saitama. And you can see here we have Saitama USDT. We're going to click trade. All right, and on the trade screen, don't get overwhelmed by everything you see here. What you're going to mainly focus on is this part right at the bottom middle where you see buy Saitama, sell Saitama. Under limit and market. So limit basically means you're only going to sell or buy when it hits a certain price point. Market is the market price. That's the going price for it. So what we're going to do here is we can see here, we can say the amount of Saitama we want to buy. So I'll just max it out at my USDT amount. And then we can click buy Saitama. As simple as that. I'm going to keep it at the limit at the 0.00000094. Click buy. Order has been placed. And at the bottom here, you can see that the order was placed. You can see that it is partially completed. Once it's fully completed, it'll go ahead and notify you. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. You've simply, bought Saitama. And now we're going to head back to our assets just to verify everything. And we can see that USDT is now 0. So let's go ahead and hide small balances. And we can see here Saitama is purchased. You can see the amount of Saitama we have in this account. And as always, everyone, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I hope this video was useful. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, as it does help the channel out. And we are trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you could help out with that, that would be awesome. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to address it. Until next time.